Look at this. See, a primo. Push, press. No gym. You don't need to go to the gym. No gym, no fitness. Solo. Hey, it's a gym. You don't need to go to the gym. See, this is it. I don't know why people would need to go to a gym when you can do this every day. They tap. Instagram. Social books. And then suddenly they wanted to go to the gym to actually burn their fat. Instead, come and do something like this. Squeeze your own orange early morning. I stop and all of a sudden everyone else starts stopping here. And that's always been the case. And stuck here with a pear drink and a barbecue cheddar cheese. And it's midnight. I haven't eaten anything since I've touched down here. And the folks, they close everything, and there is no such thing as classical Chilean food. It's all hamburgers, fries, hot dogs, and Coca Cola. That's the problem with the world today, that no matter wherever you go, the authentic Chilean food is no longer served in these fast expressways around the country. You need to look for somewhere and they're not so, how do I say, they're all in different shapes, I should say. And this is the recipe for sickness, and for myself also. And it says 100% jugo de fruta. 100%, I don't know where the hell this bottle has been bottled up. For definite, I wasn't there, but this is all I could find that's closest to the fruit taste. I don't know how to read the Spanish, but at least by looking at the bottle, by looking at the 100% part, I don't know if it's 100% recycled bottle or the paper, but what's in there, who knows? The one who packaged, even he doesn't know, because he only pushes a button. And on that button, it might be 100 different juices coming out every 2 seconds. So for me, it says from Chile. It says Hecno ne Chile. I think it's made in Chile.